My name is Dylan Dole. I just bought this motherfucker. What's up, everybody? My name is Dylan Dole. I just bought this property for 56,000 bucks. This is in South Chesterfield. The way I found it was I found it through a wholesaler, my man ZACK. Shout out to ZACK. And they sold it to me for 56,000. And what they do is they find the owner and get under contract. So they got under contract for 50, sold to me for 56. They took that $6,000 spread. So I plan to put like $10,000 to $15,000 in fixing it up. The way I bought this was I took a hard money loan, and what they do is they give people loans on shitty houses like this at high interest rates. In this case, I'm borrowing at 10%. They gave me a $50,000 loan. So I'm paying about $416 a month or something like that just to have that loan. But then I plan on going to the bank and refinancing it out once I fix it all up. Then they'll give me a new loan based on the new value. They'll give me 75% of that new value, and I'm hoping that new value is about 100,000 to 110,000. And so I'll be able to pull out 75 to 80 grand once I fix it all up, pay off that $50,000 loan, and then keep repeating that. Now let me show you the inside. Comes with a 3-car garage. We're gonna paint this outside right here. Put a new door on here. So here we're gonna paint it. Paint this, replace the fan up there. Paint this, paint this. Oh, I got paint on my hands.
Stop touching stuff, you know?
We got the kitchen, replacing the flooring in here, and keeping the cabinets, keeping the counters. And we got Dennis painting in here.
Yep, the old man.
Oh, Dennis, you got paint on my jeans, man.
Yeah, well.
I'll leave him alone.
Yeah, leave me alone. Leave me alone, let me think.
And then here we're doing the same thing, painting. It's one of the bedrooms. And then this is the attic, the secret attic. Another bedroom in here. And then a bedroom back here.
Yeah, we got paint on our shoes. Somebody got paint on their shoes. One of y'all. I ain't got none on mine.
Dennis getting paint on the floor again.
Look at my shoe. Look at my shoe. I ain't got no paint on my shoe.
Building the new deck. There was a shitty old deck here before. We got Justin and Duane on the new deck. If anyone wants these cars, feel free. They come with the house. Yeah, hasn't been inspected since '99. But this is a big reason why I bought it. It has a big 3-car garage right here. And then, not bad in here. Welcome to my crib. So in here, it just needs cleaning up. And I'm probably gonna rent this out separately. But this is one of the main reasons it has electric already running to it. And it ain't bad, ain't bad. Dennis, how much do you think it's gonna cost to fix this up?
Oh man, you're gonna spend some money, though.
Think so?
Yeah, you're gonna spend some money, so.
Dennis thinks I'm gonna spend some money.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you though.
He's gonna help me though.